Do you want to hear something fantastic? Now, I'm a skeptic about things, but the other day I was having a beer with a friend of mine who also works with pumps. I was going on and on about the compromises we have to do in our work. Then he said to me, you know this, you're working on a project using a variety of pumps for service systems and processes, getting all excited, and then what happens? You find yourself in a jungle of suppliers, each and every one with their own specific documentation. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. But what can you do? No manufacturer has the range to deliver all the pumps for your system. You simply have to compromise. That's where you're wrong, my friend. And then he showed me this. Pretty amazing stuff, but I wasn't convinced. So I said, all right, range is good, but what about getting the pump you actually need? I mean, an off-the-shelf pump is fine for standard applications, but when you're doing something special, you need a specialized pump. And then he asked me, as a kid, did you ever play with building blocks? Well, this is the same. All modular standard pumps can be built into anything you need. Take, for example, the CR. This is a standard pump for water boosting. But if you need to handle very hot liquids, you get an air-cooled pump. If you need to handle aggressive and dangerous liquids, you get a magnetic-driven pump. But you know what the best part is? Standard pumps don't need specialized spare parts or special tools. Dig it? Now, this was becoming a very strange conversation, but I wasn't about to give in. So I threw in my last card. All right, you made some pretty good points. But what about when the pumps are in operation? Even the best pump in the world needs service. Who in this big international corporation am I going to call? I smiled, feeling pretty good about myself. But he just smiled back and gave me the world. Grundfos is not only the leading international pump manufacturer, they're everywhere. 450 different service partners in 40 different countries. So you can always call a local guy. Imagine that. No compromises. No compromises.